Someone wanted to know my opinion on bone broth, so let's talk about that. People eat a lot of muscle from the animal, but they don't consume the rest of the animal. They're eating a lot of meat from chicken or beef, lamb, pork, etc. And the problem with that is that the muscle is very high in methionine, which is an amino acid. Bone broth will give you glycine and a different profile of amino acids. So at least doing bone broth, you're getting another part of the animal. But I also recommend consuming some of the organ meats as well. Liver is the easiest to consume. You can get that in a pate. So US Wellness Meats has a great product. It's a liverwurst, which has heart and liver together. It's a great product. You don't need to consume much of it, but at least you're getting more of the whole animal. And when you're consuming more bone broth, you're getting more glycine. And that potentially could help your sleep, your blood sugars, and build up your neurotransmitters. Bone broth also is good to support your gut and joint health. Okay, it's really simple to make. This is how you do it. You buy 3 pounds of bones. I like to get this from the farmer's market. Then you get a pot that holds 2 gallons of fluid. Okay, you're gonna fill it up with water about 2 inches from the top. Okay, you're gonna put the bones in there. You're gonna put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in there and just let it sit for 30 minutes. The acid will help to start breaking down the minerals from the bone. The goal is to extract the minerals and the nutrients and the collagen and the amino acids from that bone, okay? And you have to cook it. I also add herbs, spices, vegetables, sea salt in there. And then I bring it to a boil and then bring it down to simmer for about 10 to 24 hours. The longer you go, the more nutrients are extracted. Let it cool down, strain out the material, I like to put it in glass jars, and then I will use that in different soups or stews. And for convenience, you can actually buy this already done. There's one company that I really, really like. It's called Ketolifestyle. So one of the reasons I like this company is they use grass-fed, pasture-raised, organic products. So it's pretty good. This one is with lion's mane superfood mushrooms. Here's one with turmeric, ginger. They have a lot of different flavors. Coconut, curry, lime. And of course, the ingredients are really, really good. There's no sugar or anything like that. There's no fillers. And here's one, broccoli cheddar soup. So you can consume these in soups or stews, and they're very keto friendly. And on top of that, they will actually spend the time and cook these bones for 24 hours because a lot of times when you get broth, it's only for a very short period of time. Anyway, that's my opinion on bone broth. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.